In this video, you'll learn how to use the authenticity guarantee on eBay. This feature helps ensure that the items you purchase meet specific authenticity standards. By following these steps, you will be able to confidently shop for high-value items with added security. Start by searching for eligible items that feature the authenticity guarantee badge. This badge can typically be found in categories such as sneakers, watches, and handbags. When browsing listings, take a moment to review the details provided to confirm that the item is indeed eligible for the authenticity program. As you explore the listings, ensure that the seller is a participant in the authenticity program. This information is usually available in the seller's profile or within the listing details. It is also essential to check the shipping instructions indicated on the listing page, as they will guide you on how the item will be processed after purchase. Proceed to purchase the item through the standard eBay checkout process. After completing your purchase, the seller will ship the item to an authentication center before it reaches you. At this center, professional authenticators will inspect the product thoroughly, verifying its brand, condition, and accuracy against the listing information. Following the inspection, the item will either be approved or returned based on the results. If it passes the authenticity check, the item will be shipped directly to your address. You can track the shipment updates in your purchase history on eBay, allowing you to stay informed about its delivery status. Upon receiving the package, inspect the contents carefully for authenticity confirmation tags that indicate the item has been verified. If you have any concerns regarding the authentication process, do not hesitate to contact eBay support for assistance. Additionally, it is advisable to keep all documentation related to the purchase, as this can be useful for future resale or warranty claims. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.